If you're a creator or someone who loves shopping through influencer links, you've probably noticed that the LTK app just went through a major overhaul in 2025. This isn't your typical refresh. LTK, the first and largest creator commerce platform, is rolling out what they're calling the new LTK experience. It's bold, it's different, and it's sparking a lot of conversation. Some creators are all in, calling it a much needed shift for influencer marketing and brand collaborations. Others, not so sure. In today's video, we're breaking down the 9 biggest updates to the LTK and LTK creator app, what's new, what's controversial, and which features might not stick around for long. So let's get into it. All right, let's talk about the first big change. LTK no longer requires creators to tag products in every post. This is huge. Up until now, creators had to include product tags in order for content to be published or perform well on the app. But with this update, LTK is shifting towards a more flexible, story-first approach. What does that mean? It opens the door for more lifestyle content, behind-the-scenes moments, and storytelling videos that don't have to be directly tied to a product. So whether you're sharing a morning routine, a travel vlog, or a life update, you're no longer limited by what you can link. For creators, this means more freedom. For audiences, it means more authentic content. And for brands, it's a new opportunity to connect through deeper narrative-driven engagement, not just transactional posts. Will it lead to higher engagement or make monetization trickier? That is the part that's still up in the air, but it's definitely a step towards more creator-first content. Next up is one of the most talked about features, the brand new Watch tab in the LTK app. This is LTK's answer to TikTok-style discovery, and it's a game changer for video-first creators. The Watch tab prioritizes short-form, everyday video content. Think day-in-the-life vlogs, meal preps, travel diaries, behind-the-scenes clips, and serves it up to users based on their location and interests. So why is this such a big deal? For the first time, LTK is really leaning into community-based discoverability. Users can filter what they want to see and connect with creators who are near them or who share similar lifestyles. It's not just about shopping anymore, it's about storytelling, personality, and building emotional connections that naturally lead to sales. And here's a major tip. You don't need to live in a big city to be discovered. There's an everywhere filter that still gets your content out there. So what matters most is showing up consistently with relatable, engaging videos. LTK is even reporting that video content drives 2 times more brand sales and sees 73% more engagement. So if you've been thinking about starting vlogging or casual storytelling content, this is your moment. Plus, they have a near you feature inside the Watch tab designed to help local consumers find creators who feel close, even if they're miles apart. This feature marks a shift from pushing products to building connection first, which could totally reshape how creators monetize and grow their communities. The third update is all about working smarter, not harder, thanks to AI-powered search and commission comparison tools now live in the LTK app. For creators, this means you can now easily discover and tag brands and products using LTK's built-in AI. No more endless scrolling or trying to remember which retailer sells what. Just start typing and the AI will suggest the most relevant product matches in seconds. That's a major time saver when you're batching content or creating on the go. But here's the real money move, literally. You can now compare commission rates across different partners. So if multiple retailers carrying the same product, you get to choose the one that pays the most. This update is all about helping creators maximize their earnings without adding more to their plate. And for consumers, the Discover tab is also getting a glow up. LTK is rolling out AI-powered search using natural speech, which means shoppers can type phrases like neutral spring outfit under $100 and get tailored results. It's more intuitive and personal and a big win for creators who are optimizing their posts for discovery. And a pro tip for creators is to use at least 3 LTK relevant hashtags on your posts to boost your visibility in this new smart search. And obviously, don't forget to share those posts on your socials as LTK favors engagement, especially from your own community. With AI doing the heavy lifting, the goal here is more money, more visibility, and less friction. And we love that. Update number 4 is all about personalization, introducing the personalized LTK shop. This feature empowers creators to tailor their storefronts, making them a true reflection of their unique style and brand. With the new products tab, all your recommended items are organized in one place, streamlining the shopping experience for your followers. This dedicated section allows for quick and easy navigation, helping your audience find exactly what they're looking for without endless scrolling. Additionally, the introduction of product sets enables you to curate themed collections like summer essentials or home office favorites, providing a more engaging and organized shopping journey for your community. These enhancements not only make your LTK shop more visually appealing, but also foster a deeper connection with your audience, turning casual browsers into loyal shoppers. And by the way, if you're getting any value from this video so far, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you always know when I drop another video on the channel that helps you with your creator and digital marketing journey. But for now, let's get back into the video. The next big update is one that creators have been asking for a while, and it's the new video editing suite in the LTK Creator app. This is a game changer for content creation, bringing everything you need into one place to help you make polished professional videos quickly and easily. Now you can trim, splice, and perfect your videos without having to jump between multiple apps. Whether you're editing a tutorial, vlog, or behind the scenes content, you can add text, overlays, filters, and stickers to make your videos pop and reflect your unique style. But it doesn't stop there. LTK has also introduced voiceovers so you can add narration or commentary and add auto-generated captions thanks to LTK's Copilot feature, which makes your content even more accessible to all audiences. Plus, music can now be added directly in the app, so you can set the perfect mood and increase engagement. And the best part is you don't need to leave the LTK Creator app to do any of this. You can create, edit, and share all from one place, saving you time and effort while delivering content that truly resonates with your community. This all-in-one editing suite is going to help you take your content to the next level and connect with your audience in a whole new way. Next up, we have LTK DM customization, a feature that lets creators take control of their direct messages like never before. With this update, you can now customize the trigger words and automatic direct message that gets sent to new followers or users who engage with your posts. This means you can craft a message that feels more personal and authentic while still saving time and effort. Whether you're welcoming new followers, sharing exclusive content, or promoting a special offer, this feature allows you to create messages that reflect your brand's voice and boost engagement from the moment someone interacts with your content. It's all about building deeper connections and ensuring that your community feels valued, all while streamlining your communication process. So this feature is like ManyChat, but it's now integrated within LTK. So if you're ready to take your DMs to the next level, this feature is a must try. This next update is a major win for creators. It is weekly commission payouts. Now you don't have to wait weeks to get paid for these sales that you've earned. LTK is rolling out weekly payouts, giving you faster access to your earnings. This is a game changer for anyone who relies on commission-based income. Whether you're growing your content or working with multiple brand partnerships, this feature lets you access your hard-earned money faster, allowing you to reinvest into your content, pay for your personal expenses, or simply enjoy quicker financial freedom. With this update, LTK is making it easier than ever to stay on top of your income and manage your finances, all while giving you more flexibility to focus on creating. So if you're looking for more consistent cash flow and less waiting, this feature is here to make your creator journey a lot smoother. The next big update is all about enhanced community engagement, designed to help creators connect with their audience on a deeper level. With new features like the Activity tab and chat functionality, you can now interact directly with your followers in real time. Coming soon, direct messaging will be available, allowing you to send personalized chats with your followers, receiving notifications straight to their Activity tab. This is a great way to build a strong bond with your community and keep them engaged with your content. But that is not all. Creators can encourage followers to complete their profiles with their name, their image, and phone number, and even sync their phone contacts. This makes it easier to connect with friends and discover which creators they follow, giving you an organic way to grow your community. These new engagement tools will not only help you stay connected, but also foster more social, interactive environments for your followers, making them feel more like a part of your journey. And the final update we're covering today is all about staying connected with your audience on a daily basis. With the updated Home tab, your followers will have access to your latest posts through daily drops and the post feed, making sure your content is always front and center. This new Home tab is designed to only show content from the creators your followers already follow, giving them control over their feed while keeping you in their line of sight. And the best part, your daily drops are now more interactive, so when followers tap see more, they'll be taken directly to your video feed and creator channel, kind of like their very own creator TV. Plus, coming soon, your creator channel will appear at the bottom of your followers' home tab, ensuring your content stays visible and accessible every single day. This update makes it easier than ever for your community to engage with your content and keep coming back for more. So there you have it, 9 major updates to the LTK and LTK Creator app in 2025. From faster payouts to AI-powered search and new community engagement tools, LTK is truly changing the game for creators, making it easier to connect, engage, and grow your income. Plus, the updated Home tab and Watch tab offer more visibility, while the personalized LTK shop lets you curate your storefront with ease. But it's not just about creators, brands also stand to benefit big time from these updates. With enhanced geolocation and interest-based discoverability, brands can now target highly engaged audiences with more personalized shopping experiences, boosting visibility and conversion rates. As social media evolves, LTK is creating a platform that focuses on real connections between brands, creators, and consumers. No more relying on just algorithms. But I'd love to hear your thoughts on these updates, and if any of these stand out to you, by letting me know in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos about affiliate marketing, making money online, and content creation from me. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.